What's up guys, it's me Jack and today we are in Space Engine. So what we're going to do today, so let's find the sun here. So I'm going to go slightly out our galaxy. We're going to just search for Earth. Let's go for a bit of a montage to Earth. Slow the hell down. This is the Earth. We're land in Australia, Oceania. So yeah, this is where we are right now. So as winter is coming, so right now it is officially September. So, but if I set the real time on Australia, it would practically be like it'd be a bit like their April if you think about it. It would be like basically April. But here, it's still pretty like, right, so that's actually weird. Okay. Sign going backwards. Whoa, what the hell? Okay, so this is actually how this world works. What the hell? So apparently, on like Oceania, apparently you're supposed to be, if you're in Australia, like this, you get literally sun, while the Earth gets nothing. Plus, let's see if this proves if Earth is the opposite side of Oceania, because I'm pretty sure people theorize that, like the UK, like if you dug down, you might end up in Australia. So I think that's what happens. Well, maybe it might be a whole different country, but I think there is something like straight down it. But at this point, this proves my point. It looks like this is not quite true. But if we went further to like more sort of where like it would have set at, we're just gonna go like here, this point of the Earth. This would be more or less the opposite spot of Australia. Like this is the sun rising right there. So yeah, it doesn't make much sense honestly. So we're practically flying through Greenland. Okay, Greece and then into Africa. Still revolving around the planet. Okay, where did we end up? This is Antarctica. So if we kind of go in the middle of that, what would this look like exactly? Like, what would that look like? So it turns out you get a bit of a night time. But eventually I think it rises. So here it's minus 35, apparently, Antarctica. And then around that time you apparently get teeny bit of sun, and then it eventually just sets. Let's actually check out that sort of temperatures. So in that time, I'm going to check how cold it would be at like 35,000 feet. Minus 87. I did not expect it to be that warm. I would have expected that to be a lot colder. Because when we went to Greenland, when we went to when we went all the way down to Iceland, it was so cold. Minus 8. Maybe it's just because this is practically summer. Let me try something else. Let's try it maybe on the winter. Let me find it. It's on its sort of shade. So we're going to set this more or less to .12.00. So daytime. This is practically daytime. So or sort of nighttime around the UK. So what would midday look like? So as it goes into winter, so practically nothing happens. So it's minus. It's practically isn't much of a minus degree. And why am I so miles high? What the frick? That's almost hundreds of thousands of feet, that. Okay, so this is minus 64. Okay. Wait, why the hell do we have labels? We got proper planetary labels. How do I remove that? Look, what is that? Okay, Mercury was just showing up. So in Antarctica, this is like the temperature, minus 64 at daytime. But I set this to sort of, if I set this to basically around 2025.06.23, this is at night, minus 51. That's literally not as far off from, like, it's summer, you know. Oh, minus 93. Oh, heck. Yeah, so this is kind of what it's like in certain times of the year. I don't need to focus on the Earth. There's a whole simulation of the planets. So these are all of our planets orbiting around the sun. It would have been probably years at this point. It's probably been years. Oh heck, it's been a freaking 4 centuries. It's been like 4 centuries that. What the hell? Or like probably like 8 different generations. I think it's 8. Or maybe a bit more than that actually. It's probably like 12. I don't really know. Yeah, I don't know. Well, probably way more generations than that. But you never know, we might be took over by AI at that point. Frick, what is that? Markers. Markers for what exactly? Are these just showing the asteroids where the frick they are? I'm gonna look for some asteroids then. Asteroid. Asteroid. Astrop. Where's Astrop, eh? The frick did asteroid? Where did Astrop go? Go to Asteroid Roppy. This is the asteroid. Again, it's a weird shape. It's a weird shaped object, that. It feels super damn weird, doesn't it? Like, if you go anywhere in a different position off that asteroid, honestly, that just feels super weird. Vroom. Like, Mars's moons are like that. Mars, let me get to Mars. Mars, Mars, Mars. So when Mars, Phobos, Phobos, Phobos. Ugh. Yeah, I think even every single asteroid's way better than Phobos. Phobos, what the hell are you doing to yourself? Like, actually. And this is a crazy shaped moon, though. I'm not gonna lie, that is crazy. Because imagine if you, like, go invert yourself in gravity like that. Like, this is not how it's supposed to work. It's a lot of just cliffs, you know? Like that. It's like, what the frick happened? Oh, in! Let's glitch ourselves in! Oh, bloody hell. I think the devs need to fix that. What about Deimos? So this is Deimos. It's kind of the same. Same issue. Right, let's go for another asteroid. Asahina. Even that, I swear that even these asteroids work way better than Mars' moons. Like, are you serious? Like, are you freaking serious, devs? They need to kind of fix Phobos and Deimos. It's messed up. Like, you did all of them other asteroids, but you didn't do the others. Well, you don't even do Phobos and Deimos. I know they're not asteroids, but they do look like asteroids. Very irregular. It's just horribly irregular. Bloody Mars' moons. Not a very good moon, really. Like, it's not rounded like the Earth is, or any other planets and star. Like, you literally get a bunch of shadows if you're like on top of a mountain. I bet these are some mad high mountains. Like, if you kind of go down like this, like, what the hell would happen? It's like you keep going down around the asteroid. It's a weird shape. It's a weird thing, this. It looks so creepy when it's dark. I can't even see a thing, which is kind of creepy. It's quite a small asteroid. I swear asteroids also, like, maybe a bit smaller than that. And maybe it's like very small meteor particles, but like asteroids, it's a whole different thing. Like, what is the sort of radius of this thing? What's the diameter? Maybe not in feet. Diameter. What the hell's this? 18,600. Okay. What the hell is this? Okay, let me fix this. General. How do we get size? What? Filter objects. So how the hell do you figure it out? That is quite a few tons right there. Apparent size. Set a major axis. Orbitable period for that long, 3 years. 3 years, 1 orbit, I'm guessing. Solar day is 3 days, which is insane. If I turn this on. This is the one here. So, oops. Slow the hell down. Right, orbit around the sun, will you? That is kind of like 3 years, isn't it? That is like 3 years per orbit. It's kind of between like what? How would you describe that position? I think it's like between Earth and Mars a little bit. Jupiter's that, Saturn's that, Uranus, and then Neptune. Where the frick did my freaking asteroid go? Where did my asteroid? I just lost my own asteroid. But there's another asteroid that lasts. How long does that last? What? Okay, let's, how long does that last normally? Average temperature decreases and increases, so it technically has like an Earth-like orbit, like summer and winter and all that. Now let's just set it back to time. Ooh. Oh heck! It lagged then. What? Okay. Okay, it's 2025. Okay. Gaia. Galia. Pause the freaking time. What part of the sun? How do you get like straight up so you can't quite see the planets? Alright, well, okay. There's got to be a point where you just can't see them at all. So it looks a bit just odd. It's not like exactly how I think it is. Like, how do I completely avoid the planets? Like, this is a bit confusing, as you can see. Oops. What the hell? Okay, so we're gonna actually try now go to the end of the universe. Let's just go. Actually, no, not right now. Actually, Earth. Alright, Earth. Okay, we're going to do a bit of a mocking, like, we're gonna kind of mock a flight, basically. From the UK to France. I don't know how, but, okay. Where do I go? Where's my part? Where's the planet? Is this the Pacific? That's literally the Pacific Ocean. They're very specific as well. Oh. Okay, you need to fly. Fly, fly, fly. Fly, 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 fly. Okay, this is plane mode. Oh, what the hell happened? How do you even do this at this point? Oh. Okay, I'm not doing that. Yeah, I made some weird engine sounds. Ooh, I can't even freaking slow down. Where do I go? Okay, I need to go back to Earth. What the hell? Oh, I felt weird. What the hell is this? I'm gonna be like a rocket. Spacecraft. Spacecraft. How do you even work these systems? Like, what the hell? The hell do you do? Oh. I can let daytime to the thing. Frick out! Am I going really fast right now? Like, it looks like I am going fast, but I'm not, you know. Oh, I'm not, because obviously because of this. Ooh. I would genuinely think the spacecraft system works better. Like, how do I slow down? Like, how? Okay, let me go back to Earth. Let me freaking fix this. Alright, Earth. Slow down, slow down. Look at the Earth. The Earth is crazy. I'm gonna see whatever the hell I land at. Oh! I don't even know where I'm going at this point. What the heck? What the frick am I doing? Turn! What is going on here? What the frick is happening still? What the hell? I can't even think I'm sane right now. I don't feel sane. What the heck? Ooh. Can't even look up anywhere, can I? Okay, that was super weird. So time to do a blast off to Mars. Time for Mars. Mars, woohoo! Mars. Alright, let's go to Mars. Mars. Okay, so it's 2.33 AU. This is messed up still. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, right, let's okay, let's just not make any more sounds. This is so awkward. What the hell happening? Whoa. Whoa, what is going on? Next stop is Mars. We're going round the Earth in the speed of light. Oh, actually, we're not going to speed of light, actually. This is actually not speed of light. Probably like 5 times faster than the speed of sound, or actually maybe way more than that actually. Alright, goodbye Earth. Next up is Mars. 2.33 AU away. Not even a single AU was touched on yet. Which is strange. I think we just literally passed the moon. I literally just passed the moon. Alright, okay. Okay, bit 1, we got 1. Let's do one more turn round. Goodbye to you, Earth. Time to go to Mars. Time to focus on Mars. I think we're passing another neighboring planet. Okay, this is Venus. This is Jupiter. Okay, so this is actually not Venus, that's Jupiter. Not the moon, that's actually Jupiter we just passed. Now we're just about to pass the sun. Like, no object can ever go the speed of light, you know? Like, no object. No 0.28. I'm just getting further and further. A bit of a crazy turn. Oh, I think that went wrong badly. What the frick am I doing? Whoa. Yeah, that's not working. Right, time to just travel to the end of the universe. Goodbye, solar system. Right, this is max speed. Light years away. We're going gigalight years. Ooh, frick. Right, that's already the end of the universe, isn't it? Ooh. Woo. This has to be the end, I think. It's got to be the end of the universe. Freaking heck, where did I just go? Wait, why am I going further? Why am I going further? Whoa, I'm going far. Okay, where am I? This is so freaking weird. Right, let's go back. But that is so damn far. Alright, okay, I'm just gonna have to cheat to Mars. Cheat to Mars. Okay, we're half an hour in. I kind of wonder how the hell I'm gonna land in Mars. Alright. Rocket mode. I'm called a Rocket Man. Oi! Oi! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah. Bash into the ground. Dizzy time. Vroom. Let's go to the sun for no apparent reason. Freaking we're going around freaking galaxies. Ooh. Whoa, we're going so far. Oh heck. Oh no. Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. What the hell? Okay. Oh, this thing's freaking corrupted. Oh. Right, we're just hit and miss. Oh. What the hell's going on? Ah. Yeah, this is so weird. It's like we're trying to catch the sun, but we can't. Ugh. Right, let's stop this roller coaster. Where the hell did we go? Okay, the sun is gone. They just forgot about the sun. What the hell? Sun. Literally gigalight years away. Into free mode, right, let's go. Back to the sun. Back to the solar system. Had a bit of a roller coaster. Let's go into the other different planets. Which planet we're gonna go for? I'm gonna go for Neptune and its moon to Triton or Proteus. We're gonna do Proteus in Neptune. Yeah, we went through a hell of a coaster here, passing the sun, flinking from the sun. It's kind of crazy, really. This is an asteroid. Proteus is an asteroid. Alright, let's go to Triton. I can't do Proteus, guys. Right, I think we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you on probably Saturday on our. So I'm gonna do OMSI 2 on Saturday, and then on Sunday we're going to do Croydon and London Transport game. So this is what I'm planning to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. See yous.